Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Automation Intelligence. So this video is all about how to get started with automation. I know there are people who might be thinking, how can I switch from manual to automation? At times people think how to get started with it. So this video is all about this. Do watch it till the very end because I am going to tell you a few secrets that I have followed during my transition phase from manual to automation. Let me tell all of you, there was a time when I was also working as a manual tester in one of the MNCs, and right now in the same organization I am working as an SDET. And most importantly, I have also got a few offers from other MNCs as well once I was able to develop my skill properly. So I am going to tell you about all those things in a very short video, so stay tuned till the very end. So first and foremost, you need to be committed for anything that you want to do. So first and foremost, you need to decide whether you want to do it or not. You need to first ask this question to yourself, if you want to do it or not. If you want to do it, then you need to be committed for that. Now, so when you want to get into automation, first and foremost, my advice to all of you would be, you first focus on the one of the programming languages. So I would say you get started with Java first. So now again guys, let me tell you something here. You need to be a smart worker rather than a hard worker, because you know in Java there are so many stuff. So if you go on reading them, maybe you might end up spending months, but still there still be things left in Java. So you need to choose those topics very wisely which are needed when you are especially doing automation. So there are so many chapters, so many topics in Java. Definitely you can go through all of them for your knowledge gain. But as far as getting started with automation is concerned, you will have to limit yourself to certain chapters in Java. So for example, I would recommend you to start with the OOPS concept in Java. Because mainly in your interviews also you will find so many questions from OOPS concept. So starting from OOPS concept, then once you are done with the OOPS concept, you study a little bit about the access modifiers, constructors, exception handling, and few common exceptions in Java. So these 4-5 chapters that you can begin with, and once you are done with these, you can slowly and steadily start to automate. So to begin with, I would suggest you guys to start with Selenium first. And once you get hold of these 4-5 chapters in Java, automation in Selenium will be a cakewalk for all of you. And I give you this guarantee because I myself has followed the same. And right now I am working here as an SDET. So there is nothing impossible, I would say. You just need to follow a schedule. So if you are committed to your work, I would recommend you at least spend 1 hour every day to study steps related to automation, because I know you guys will also be having your work related schedule as well. So once you have at least have some basic understanding about these chapters, you can get started with Selenium. So in Selenium also there are so many things, so just do not try to learn each and everything within a month or so. So I am here to help you guys out. This was an introductory video for all of you. So in the upcoming video, I will be uploading videos related to topics that I have mentioned a little earlier related to Java and Selenium as well. So we all are going to learn together. I have started this channel with a motive to help all of you, because I know there was a time when I was in the same situation. I was in a dilemma how to get started with automation because I was having no idea about programming. Let me tell you guys, there was a time when I was having no idea about the programming. I myself come from a non-IT, non-CS background. So there's a lot to tell to all of you. Uh, we will end this video here itself. In my upcoming videos, I will start with Java, and I am looking forward for a great collaboration with all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And if you like my video, if you are liking my work, please support me. Do subscribe and share with others as well, and let's spread the news. Thank you.